In this video, we will show you how to use Cardless Checkout in Kitomba One. Cardless Checkout allows you to process payments right from Kitomba One, without the need for a terminal or for the client to get out their card. To use this feature, clients must have a card saved to their account. They can do this by saving their card when booking an appointment online, if you take deposits or charge cancellation fees. To use Cardless Checkout for a client that has a saved card, head to the appointment book. Select the client you wish to invoice, and then click on Make Sale. When you get to the payment screen, the client's saved card will be applied automatically. Clicking Complete Sale will charge the client's card and an invoice will be generated. If there is an issue, such as the card being declined or expired, Kitomba One will let you know so you can arrange an alternate payment method. If you don't want Kitomba One to default to using a client's saved card, head to Settings, then Sales, then under Cardless Checkout, change the default to client's saved card if available setting. Please note, the ability to charge clients' credit cards must be secure, and so is only available for staff when using a device that has PIN access enabled. Admins are the only users that can charge a saved card on any device. On any other access level, the Charge a Saved Card to Pay for an Invoice setting must be ticked for them to use it on PIN access enabled devices. That is an overview on how to use Cardless Checkout in Kitomba One. View our support guides to learn more or get in touch with us.